5 companion plants to grow for a healthier spring garden. Companion planting is a time-tested gardening technique that involves growing certain plants together to improve growth, repel pests, and maximize space. By choosing the right companions, you can create a thriving, resilient garden that requires fewer pesticides and fertilizers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these 5 companion plants will help you cultivate a healthier, more productive spring garden. Number 1. Marigolds and Tomatoes. Marigolds are the unsung heroes of companion planting. Their bold, vibrant flowers not only brighten up the garden, but also repel harmful pests like aphids, whiteflies, and nematodes. When planted near tomatoes, marigolds help keep these pests at bay, leading to healthier, more robust tomato plants. How it works. Marigolds release a natural chemical called alpha-terphenol, which deters nematodes that attack tomato roots. Tip: plant marigolds around the perimeter of your tomato patch or intersperse them between tomato plants for the best protection. Number 2. Basil and Peppers. Basil and peppers make an excellent pair, not just in the kitchen, but also in the garden. Basil repels mosquitoes, aphids, and spider mites, protecting pepper plants from potential damage. It also enhances the flavor of peppers, making them taste even sweeter. How it works. The strong aroma of basil confuses pests, keeping them away from pepper plants. Tip: space basil and pepper plants about 12 inches apart to allow good air circulation and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Number 3. Carrots and onions. Carrots and onions are perfect planting partners because they help deter each other's pests. The strong smell of onions confuses carrot flies, while carrot tops provide ground cover that prevents weeds from taking over. How it works. Onion scent masks the smell of carrots, protecting them from carrot flies, and vice versa for onion pests. Tip: alternate rows of carrots and onions for the most effective pest protection. This layout also maximizes garden space. Number 4. Cucumbers and Nasturtiums. Nasturtiums are beautiful edible flowers that act as a trap crop, attracting aphids, cucumber beetles, and other pests away from cucumbers. They also enhance pollination by attracting beneficial insects like bees and hoverflies. How it works. Nasturtiums lure pests away from cucumbers, protecting the main crop. Their vibrant flowers also bring more pollinators to the garden. Tip: plant nasturtiums around the base of cucumber vines or as a border around your garden bed. They thrive in poor soil, making them easy to grow almost anywhere. Number 5. Beans and corn. The classic Three Sisters planting method involves growing beans, corn, and squash together. In this trio, beans are the star companion for corn. Climbing beans fix nitrogen in the soil, enriching it naturally for the corn. In return, corn provides a natural trellis for the beans to climb. How it works. Beans convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can absorb, enhancing corn growth. Tip: plant corn first, allowing it to grow about 6 inches tall before planting beans. This gives the corn a head start as a support structure for climbing beans. And there you have it, 5 incredible companion plants to help your spring garden thrive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these companion planting combos or if you have other favorites to share. For even more gardening inspiration, check out this video on 8 vegetables to start before spring. You won't want to miss it. And remember, life is better when you garden.